What's going on, guys? This is Sam. Just picked myself the brand new MacBook Air. It is the 13-inch with the Thunderbolt port and the backlit keyboard. I picked up the 1.7 gigahertz dual-core Intel Core 5 processor with the 4 gigs of RAM and the 128 gigabyte of flash storage. This is the 13-inch, like I did mention. Anyway, guys, let's get the unboxing started. Take a quick peek around the box here. Just like last year's model, pretty much the same in the box. And here we have it. Here is the Air itself. Before we take a look at that, let's see what we get in here. This is your standard manual. Won't be needing this. Warranty information and the good old Apple stickers. One thing I did notice about this is that it did not come with the recovery dongle like the first generation, so I'm assuming the only way to restore it back to factory would be through the App Store, because this does come with the line preloaded. I guess we'll have to see when the time comes for a restore. And here is our connector, dongle, cable, our power brick, the magnetic tip here, and here is the Air. We got the power adapter, one USB dongle for your headphones. Looking over at the other side, for your SD cards, and here is the USB port, and here is the Thunderbolt port, new to the MacBook Air. I guess third generation, if you want to call it. Here is the nice, clean, crisp screen. No fingerprints. Well, for now anyways. Anyways, let's get the first boot into this unboxing as well. And here we have it. As you can probably already tell, the keyboard is lit. Let me just dim down the lights here. Here we have it. The nice backlit keyboard. It's about time Apple put it in the air. Well, guys, this is Sam, and this has been an unboxing of the 13-inch MacBook Air with Lion OS and the brand new Thunderbolt port with the backlit keyboard. If you guys want to see more cool videos like this, unboxings, reviews, giveaways, all that other fun stuff, thumb it up. Leave a comment below on what you guys think about the new Air, and make sure to be a subscriber right up there. Anyway, guys, this has been Sam, and till next time.